In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the standardized test statistic and corresponding p-value for a hypothesis test for a proportion, single sample, when the conditions are met to use the normal approximation to the binomial. I have the problem summarized or written out. In a nutshell, the null statement is that p is equal to 0.4. versus an alternative p greater than 0.4, so this is an upper tail test. The sample size was 2,730, and the number of successes was 1,130. You want to click on your Statistics tab and select one sample. Go down to Proportion. And we don't have the sample data in a column. We have the summarized data. The number of events is the sample size. Oops, I'm sorry. Scratch that. Number of events is the number of successes. Whew. Number of trials is the sample size. And I want to perform a hypothesized test. My hypothesized proportion was 0.40. Now it defaults to an exact test about a population proportion, whereas we want to use the normal approximation. In other words, we want to use the test that has a standardized test statistic that is a z-value. So to change that, I'm going to click on Options, and I need to change the direction of my alternative because this is an upper tail test. I want greater than in my alternative. Under Method, instead of exact, I want to select normal approximation. This is the same as the one proportion z-test in the TI-84. Click on OK. And scrolling down to my output, my standardized test statistic is 1.48 with a corresponding p-value of 0.0688.